somehow screen computer system is a system built with a well. Before I proceed, I want to talk about this computer system as one of the best computer system you could ever get. Okay, wherever you want to go, and then it's very much portable. So it's a clear elaboration of the system which you have, and then it's very much understandable for you. So now, having gone through several lectures and several levels at this time, it's very necessary for us to pick up this code with just the formatting option, and then we'll give some other people a chance to come in.